Hello, and welcome back to the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Today is day 7, and our topic is shopping English. Shopping is one of the most common real-life situations where you'll use English. Whether you're buying groceries, clothes, electronics, or everyday items, these conversations will help you communicate with confidence. Today's lesson includes 99 useful English sentences that you can use every time you go shopping. Here's how to practice. First, listen carefully, then repeat each sentence aloud. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll become. Are you ready? Let's begin. Entering the store. Sentence 1. Hello. Hello. Sentence 2. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sentence 3. Welcome. Welcome. Sentence 4. Thank you. Thank you. Sentence 5. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for something. Sentence 6. Can you help me? Can you help me? 7. I'm looking for milk. I'm looking for milk. Sentence 8. Where can I find bread? Where can I find bread? Sentence 9. I'm looking for fresh fruit. I'm looking for fresh fruit. Sentence 10. Where is the dairy section? Where is the dairy section? Sentence 11. It's over there. It's over there. Practice tip. Excellent. When you're shopping, don't be afraid to ask for help. Store employees are there to assist you. Now let's continue. Finding products. Sentence 12. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sentence 13. Could you help me? Sentence 14. Where are the eggs? Where are the eggs? Sentence 15. They're in aisle 5. They're in aisle 5. Sentence 16. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sentence 17. You're welcome. Sentence 18. I'm looking for coffee. I'm looking for coffee. Sentence 19. Do you sell tea? Do you sell tea? Sentence 20. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Sentence 21. Where can I find it? Where can I find it? Sentence 22. It's on the next aisle. It's on the next aisle. Shadowing. Practice. Listen and repeat. Excuse me. Could you help me? I'm looking for coffee. Where can I find it? It's on the next aisle. Let's continue. Shopping cart. Sentence 23. I need a shopping cart. I need a shopping cart. Sentence 20 is broken. This cart is broken. Sentence 25. I'll get another one. I'll get another one. Sentence 26. Also need a shopping basket. I also need a shopping basket. Sentence 27. Let's start shopping. Let's start shopping. Sentence 28. I need to buy vegetables. I need to buy vegetables. Sentence 29. I need to buy fruit. I need to buy fruit. Sentence 30. I also need some bread. I also need some bread. Sentence 30. Got to buy eggs. I forgot to buy eggs. Sentence 32. Let's check the shopping list. Let's check the shopping list. Sentence 33. I think we have everything. I think we have everything's. Closing. Fantastic. You have completed part 1 of day 7. Today you learned how to enter a store confidently, greet store employees, ask where products are, find different departments, use a shopping cart or basket. That you'll hear in English expressions you're in supermarkets, grocery stores, and shopping malls. Part 2, where you'll learn how to compare products, ask about prices, request different sizes and colors, and 30-Day English Fluency Challenge Day 7. Shopping English 99 Everyday English Sentences Part 2. Welcome back. Great job finishing Part 1. Now it's time to continue your shopping English practice. In this lesson, you'll learn how to compare products, ask about prices, find the right size, and prepare to pay. Remember our practice method. Listen carefully. Repeat each sentence twice. Imagine you're speaking inside a real store. Let's begin. Comparing products. Sentence 34. Which one do you recommend? Which one do you recommend? Sentence 35. I recommend this one. I recommend 36. This one is cheaper. This one is cheaper. Sentence 37. That one is more expensive. Expensive. Sentence 38. This product is on sale. This product is on sale. Sentence 39. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Sentence 40. It costs $20. It costs $20. Sentence 41. That's a good price. That's a good price. Sentence 42. It's too expensive for me. Sentence 43. Do you have a cheaper one? Sentence 44. Yes, this one is less expensive. Yes, this one is less expensive. Sentence 45. I'll take this one. Sentence 46. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Sentence 47. Can I compare these two? Can I compare these two? Sentence 48. I like this brand better. I like this brand better. Practice time excellent. When shopping, it's normal to compare different products before making a decision. Now let's practice asking about sizes and colors. Sizes and colors. Sentence 49. Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in blue? Sentence 50. Do you have this in black? Sentence 51. Do you have a larger size? Sentence 52. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Sentence 53. May I try it on? May I try it on? Sentence 54. Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Sentence 55. It fits perfectly. Sentence 56. It's too small. It's too small. Sentence 57. It's too big. Sentence 58. I'll take this size. I'll take this size. Sentence 59. I love this color. Sentence 60. This looks great on me. This looks great on me. Going to the checkout. Sentence 61. I think I'm ready to pay. I think I'm ready to pay. Sentence 62. Let's go to the checkout. Let's go to the checkout. Sentence 63. The line is short today. The line is short today. Sentence 64. I'll wait here. I'll wait here. Sentence 65. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. Sentence 66. I'm ready to check out. I'm ready to check out. Congratulations on making it to part 3. You've already learned how to enter a store, ask for products, compare prices, choose sizes, and get ready to pay. Now it's time to finish today's lesson. In this final part, you'll learn how to talk with the cashier, pay for your items, ask for a receipt, return products, and leave the store politely. Remember our practice method. Listen carefully. Repeat each sentence clearly. Imagine you're having a real conversation at the checkout counter. Let's begin. At the checkout. Sentence 67. Hello. Hello. Sentence 68. Did you find everything you needed? Did you find everything you needed? Sentence I did. Yes, I did. Sentence 70. No, I couldn't find everything. No, I couldn't find everything. Sentence 71. Would you like a bag of 72? Yes, please. Yes, please. Sentence 73. No, thank you. No, thank you. Sentence 74. Your total is $45. Your total is $45. Sentence 75. Card. Can I pay by card? Sentence 76. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Sentence 77. Can I pay with cash? Sentence 78. Here's my credit card. Here's my credit card. Sentence 79. Please insert your card. Please insert your card. Sentence 80. Please enter your PIN. Please enter your PIN. Sentence 81. Your payment was successful. Your payment was successful. Shadowing practice. Listen and repeat. Can I pay by card? Here's my credit card. Please insert your card. Your payment was successful. Excellent. Now let's continue. Receipt and customer service. Sentence 82. May I have my receipt, please? I have my receipt, please? Sentence 83. Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. Sentence 84. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sentence 85. You're welcome. Sentence 86. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Sentence 87. You too. You too. Returning an item. Sentence 88. I'd like to return this item. I'd like to return this item. Sentence 89. What's the problem? Sentence 90. It's the wrong size. It's the wrong size. Sentence 91. I'd like exchange it. Sentence 92. Do you have another size? Do you have another size? Sentence 93. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Sentence 94. Thank you for your help. Sentence 95. My pleasure. My pleasure. Leaving the store. Sentence 96. Goodbye. Goodbye. Sentence 97. See you again soon. See you again soon. Sentence 98. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Sentence 99. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for shopping with us. Closing. Congratulations. You have completed Day 7 of the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Today you practiced 99 everyday English sentences for shopping. Now you know how to enter a store confidently, ask for help, compare prices and brands, choose the right size and color, pay by cash or card, ask for a receipt, return or exchange an item, leave the store politely. Remember, becoming fluent in English doesn't happen in one day. It happens through daily practice. Listen, repeat, speak, and use these sentences the next time you go shopping. Thank you for joining today's lesson. I'll see you in Day 8 of the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge, where you'll learn Restaurant English 99 everyday English sentences. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. Goodbye.